Hi everyone, hope you all are safe and well wherever in the world you are. Our country India has three mountain railways. One in Shimla, second is Darjeeling and one is Nilgiri Mountain Railway. And these all mountain railways are included in UNESCO World Heritage Site. So coming in Ooty, we all decided to ride toy train and go to some places near Ooty which are equally beautiful. So today we are going from Ooty to Kunnur and now we are in Ooty station.
हाँ, ये ट्रेन कहाँ से कहाँ जाएगी, कहाँ तक जाएगी?
ये ट्रेन यहाँ से मेट्टूपालम जाएगी।
मेट्टूपालम?
यस, जहाँ से गाड़ी शुरू होती है।
हमारी ये स्टेशन का नाम क्या है?
उदगमंडल लिखा है, देखो सामने उदगमंडल।
In India we don't find such a clean railway tracks in any railway station. Don't forget to like the video and also don't forget to share with your family and friends. So these are some of the gifts provided by the Railway Authority. Three train runs from Ooty to Mettupalayam daily, but on Sundays and holidays, special heritage train runs for which we have to reserve tickets as they are heritage ones and they are used by the Britishers. So we booked that ticket only and now we are waiting for the train. The train will come around 11:30 am. This is a small canteen run by the Railway Authority. From Ooty to Kunnur, it will take nearly 1 hour 15 minutes. In the meantime, our train came and we are now inside the train. So this is the heritage train. You can see total railway track is 46 kilometers. But we will get down at Kunnur, which is 18 kilometers from Ooty, and there we will see some local sightseeing. As this is the heritage train, this whole train is made of wood. It is really a majestic journey while you enjoy the misty mountains, the narrow valleys and all the tunnels while going from Ooty to Kunnur. If you are traveling on holidays or weekends or in a peak season, always book tickets at least 2 to 3 months prior. All seats are having sofa-type structure facing each other, exactly same from the ancient era. And this is a clear view of Ooty town. Many films are shot in those places. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway is a meter gauge railway and it is in Tamil Nadu and it is built by Britishers in the year 1908. And this railway is operated by Southern Railway and it is the only rack railway in India. And the railway relies entirely on fleet of steam locomotives. The entirely track was built at the cost of 25 lakhs in the year 1908. If you are going to Ooty, don't miss the beautiful railway ride. We were also offered tea and snacks by the railways authorities. I have not showed that. And now it's our time to get down from the train at Kunnur, and this is the beautiful tea gardens from Kunnur. In my next vlog, I will be exploring Kunnur.